have had such a great relationship with this organization over the years, and they have been such a blessing to our students, and we're so thankful for them.
The most important people here today, in my opinion, are these students right out here and these instructors. These students are learning a skill, and guess what? They will never have to worry about having a job, because it is a high wage, high demand skill, and some of these lives and these families will be changed forever, because some of these students will go on to earn well over six figures in their first 5 years.
So many people were involved in making this happen. Students, it's all about you. Faculty, none of this could happen without you.
HAAS has 5,500 schools that are teaching on HAAS machines. You guys are one of the best. The relationships, everything I heard, workforce development, you've got it all here, and it's just really exciting to see.